Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's doing great. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomi, and today I'm sharing this beautiful Dollar Tree mirror with you. If you want to see how I did it, stay tuned. So here are the items needed for this project. You will need some mirrors. These are beautifully framed and they are 8 by 10s. I got 6 of these from the Dollar Tree. I also got these 3 stylish mirrors. I kind of painted them a little bit brighter with the gold spray. I'm also using some bling wrap, my trusted Gorilla glue sticks, some Fix All glue, my hot glue gun, and I'll be placing the mirrors on top of this foam board, all items from the Dollar Tree. So the first thing I'll be doing is I'll be arranging the mirrors on the foam board, and I'll just be doing 2 rows, 3 at the bottom and 3 at the top. So I'm arranging them before I start the gluing process just to make sure that I am satisfied with the placement. While placing the mirrors on the foam board, I noticed that they were not all able to hold fully on the foam board, so I have a little bit of hangover at the top and bottom, about 1.5 inches, and that is okay because I have enough mirror on the board itself to provide the support that I need. After I've placed the mirror, I realized that I have a little bit of foam board left over. I'll just be using my box cutter to remove that piece and we'll be on our way. After getting rid of that excess piece of foam board, we are ready to go. The mirrors are all aligned perfectly, and now we're getting ready for the gluing process. So what I'm doing here is applying the Fix All glue to all 4 sides of the frame. And I realized at the second frame that I didn't have to do all 4 sides because, as I said earlier, a part of the frame hangs off the board, so look out for that when you're doing yours. Then I'll just go in with my hot glue and put it all over the back of it for that quick right now hold. Just going over where I have put the Fix All before, and to make sure that I put a generous amount for that secure hold. Once I finish applying the glue, I will just put the frame back in its original spot like I have lined them up and just press it in to make sure that it adheres to the board. Now that the larger mirrors have been adhered and cleaned, I will be going in with the smaller mirrors and I'll just place them right across the center of the frame. So what I'm doing here is I'm making sure that the mirrors are centered properly, laying them down before I glue them. So the 2 on the ends are laying flat and then the middle one will rest on those 2 when I glue. And here we are. The 3 smaller mirrors have been adhered to the others, and I think they look super cute, and we could actually stop here, but no, I'm gonna add some bling. I decided not to go with the gold ones because it was not adding anything to it, so I'm gonna go with the silver for that extra pop of bling, and I'm just gonna add them to the edges of the mirror. And here it is with all the bling applied. I think it looks super cute. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. I've also added single petals to the ends of the mirror on the bottom just to give it that extra pop. And here it is, guys, in all its glory. I have placed it on a black wall, which is why I wanted all that bling and all that flair. I think it is absolutely beautiful. I think this is so beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if this is your first time seeing my channel and you like what you see, I'd love for you to become a part of the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload all my videos. And to all my Penny Pinchers, thank you so much for stopping by. As always, love you, love you, love you. Bye-bye.